literally.
I'm gonna start streaming just to check the
I just
health
want
of
to go
it.
through the process because then
Yes.
she's gonna tell her whole
Neighborhood.
friends.
Okay, so this one
All
has
you
a
have to do
title
is
of
Yeah, but I would say
YCHS 12th grade honors
we
support, so
understand
we
your
can gotta
condition,
change that. We change this to
I mean, we want to meet individual needs, but we have to look at collectively
YIES.
for the district needs too.
Yeah. I like the way you said that.
Here,
Oh, thank
you want paper?
you. Okay.
It's gonna cost you $20.
after this.
I didn't have them. I knew I didn't have my anxiety pill. I thought I just had them.
Okay, so I'm gonna copy that link.
Okay, a question came. When you're leaving like first grade from Perry, do you have to go to a certain school?
No,
No.
we're open. They could go.
How
to
do they choose?
The parent.
The parent.
The
Well, the
parents.
parent wants to know how to choose.
We can't tell the parent how to choose.
No, they want to know the
No, how do
process.
they choose?
How to
which
enroll
school
in.
to go to?
When they click on that survey, the survey that they take,
Okay, because she
they
wants.
choose what school they want to go to.
Okay, because she's leaving Perry from first grade.
Yeah.
Wants to choose.
She
Estabrook.
completes the survey that we
Yeah,
have
the
out
survey
online,
we sent.
and then she puts all her information on her kid, whatever it says my kid wants
Okay.
for Estabrook, for
Okay.
all of them except for they can't pick Wise because it's an application.
Okay.
To apply.
I'll send that back
Right,
to her then.
right.
Although,
like,
no,
no,
second
second
grade,
grade.
there are plenty of openings for second grade
Yeah.
too, if she wanted, if they wanted
If they
it.
did choose life.
If they choose that. So I don't really need to print out, I should print out just as a backup in case there are internet issues. Right?
Their internet
Because I
issues, we
usually
got
pull them
problems.
out and.
Right, we're gonna have more issues than that.
Yeah, we could record it, but then we couldn't stream it if we had internet
Okay.
problems.
So I'll print them out as a backup. I usually,
Well, in case too, somebody's trying to read the list and type in a name too.
okay.
So, I know you went over this, Clark. How are people gonna see where we're typing the names in?
Okay, so on the stream, they're gonna see when she has her spreadsheets, we can share the spreadsheet with the numbers and the names, and then
Excuse me. So
the result.
She's gonna be sharing her screen.
You have
So
the,
usually, then you hook up to my, or you have it something,
well, if you just share
or if I
the,
just share the document
if you
with
share the document with me, then
Okay.
that can be in the background.
Okay, okay.
Ignore this part because that's from having it on the screen. But there will be this aimed at the
Boss.
at the balls, and this one will be the people in the room from the webcam here, and then the background. The rest of the whole thing is the spreadsheet with the names and where they are in the wait list when they come up in the.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Mm-hmm.
So you know what is, you're gonna be showing the typed in thing.
Yeah.
So you're gonna have the other names just to double check somewhere.
This can be
So I
on the
have like
screen,
a-
and she can be working on her computer, and it'd still be fine. She doesn't have to be typing on this one if it's a share.
Right, right. I just meant because she has that sheet and she
then-
also has the one she's gonna be typing like that.
Yeah, so I have to create another whole one with not all this, with just they usually have their student's first and last name, the grade.
Whatever you share with me,
Okay.
I can put up here,
And
and
that will
that can
literally
be in a different tab. I don't have to show what's on your screen.
Okay,
I can show another tab.
okay. So I would get rid of all this, and then I would just have the student's
Or,
last name and first initial.
yeah, or copy it once you've got it
Yeah.
into some, more. Yeah. it's just
Their
another-
grade, and what ranking
Mhm.
they have, and that's
And
it.
yeah,
And
that sounds
then
good.
one column for, because they'll all be assigned a number.
Mm-hmm.
And so as we pull the numbers out,
So
we show
the,
the number, and then
right.
we call the student's name.
so
they
the
can see
number is, if you call number 4,
that. Yeah,
you'd say it's C M or C M
What's this?
whatever the name is.
Corbin.
Corbin. Like it was last
E. Corbin.
E. Corbin.
Yeah,
Corbin, and then you put a number, the first,
yeah.
you know, and then you put 1 there or something.
Mm-hmm.
And that would show up here. And so they would know exactly where they are in their rank.
Yeah.
And then are you gonna change the colors of the number or something for the, now we're a wait list? I'm just trying to go through the whole process. We've done it different ways.
Mm-hmm.
One way you actually typed in a name, one name time you put in a number. I'm just trying to make sure I get.
So the form
How will I know
that they
now?
will see here will have, it'll like, we had like slots, available slots. And then and then we had a large line that says wait list.
Yep.
And so then,
So that's the form we're gonna use this time.
Mhm.
Okay. I
so
just
that they
wanna
can
make sure.
clearly see like, okay, those are all the slots that were available. Now we're moved to wait list.
Okay.
So,
Okay.
yeah. Okay.
It looks like we'll have it ready then.
Mhm.
I was just sending you the link to where the stream is. It's not the same as the one I sent before. I'll say here's the real link. That way the real.
Wait list.
All right. I want to make sure that is the real link because it's in here. Stream ends with a capital M. Yep. So I'm sending this to all 4 of you.
Okay.
Okay.
And I think that took me about 10 minutes or so to set up all the pieces.
Okay.
And it may take, it's your bingo, right?
Mhm.
I don't know how long it takes you to set up, from.
We'll have them
For-
sorted,
Okay.
already.
So for young
And
guys,
then-
we're gonna have 1 slot and then, so here's this
They'll
and then
be
this is the wait
sorted
list
out.
of.
Because the students are assigned numbers
Mhm.
and for each grade, so we literally, like, those numbers are set aside 1 through 15, 16 through 30, all the way, moving
Right.
forward for all the kids, so they'll be already grouped and ready to,
Okay, great. That sounds great.
yeah.
It's starting to come back to me how we did this
It's
last
starting
year.
to come back to me
Yeah.
too. While I'm sitting here, so I'm glad we met because I'm like, I don't remember all the fine details. Clerk. All right, so I said we have lottery number. Grade and then priority. Okay.
I know. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Did you
What
have
did you
this?
do last time?